A food chain starts with the primary energy source, usually the sun or boiling hot, deep sea vents. Plants use energy from the sun to make their own food through photosynthesis. In turn, some animals eat plants. At the bottom of the food chain is probably the most important, phytoplankton. Tiny animals called zooplankton eat the phytoplankton, as well as clams and small fish. Animals such as fish, jellyfish, and small whales also feed off zooplankton. Larger fish such as tuna and cod feed on the smaller fish. Sharks hold a legendary spot at the top of the marine food chain. Studies show that without sharks, the food chain would crumble. If the large shark was missing in the food chain, the large predator fish population would grow. This may cause depletion of the smaller prey fish, causing an imbalance. Therefore, the population of a species is an important aspect of the ecosystem hierarchy. Every ecosystem, no matter how fragile, supports an individual. Sharks eat the weak, sick, and dead fish, which maintains a healthy ecosystem, enabling the fittest to survive. The balance of an ecosystem is extremely important because all organisms belonging to that ecosystem depend upon each other to maintain this balance. All living organisms within an ecosystem are called a community. The organisms within a community are codependent upon each other. The relationship between these organisms form a food web. A food web is a series of interconnecting food chains. This intricate links between organisms supporting each other form a food chain. This food chain is only one strand of a complex tangle of relationships that we can call the marine food web. Sharks are super predators that help to control populations and maintain prey species diversity by concentrating on the most available species. It is important to the ecology of the seas by removing the weakest, sick, and the dead so that the fittest survive.